Hey everybody, welcome back to Laser Engraving 911. So you probably heard some rumors that xTool is coming out with a new laser, and I'm here to tell you that's true, because check out what I'm standing next to. Boom. This is the F2 Ultra UV laser. And whoa, but before you get all excited, this is not my full review video, which is coming out in a few weeks, so stay tuned for that. This is just a little taste of what this UV laser is capable of, and I think you'll be pretty impressed. UV lasers are an amazing laser engraving technology, and xTool has recognized that and come out with their own. So we're gonna put it through its paces. I'm gonna tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly on my full review, but for now, let's just check out what this thing could do, and we'll see you in a few weeks and really take a deep dive. So if that sounds like something you want to get into, then buckle up, get your pen and paper out, because we're about to get into it on Laser Engraving 911.
Laser Engraving 911. One is the master, educator, dominator. Don't overcomplicate it. To just sit back and relax and get elevated.
That was fun. Man, this thing can engrave a lot of different materials in a lot of different ways. I can't wait to share more with you. Right now, xTool has it up on pre-order on their site. I've listed a link in the description below. If you guys decide that this is something you want to get and you use that link, you're helping support Laser Engraving 911. If you don't think it's for you and you want to wait for the full review, I don't blame you. In any case, we'll see you in a few weeks to dive into the xTool F2 Ultra UV laser.